Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about the Kajal mistakes that you're making. Simple, to the point video this is going to be. Kajal is one of the makeup products that are used by every single girl out there. Every single girl, every single lady uses it. Doesn't matter even if you don't know how to wear makeup or if you're a pro. Or anyone in between. Everybody uses it. Now these are some of the mistakes that I'm going to talk about. Maybe it will help you. I hope so that it does help you, and on how to apply your kajal better the next time. Okay, so the number one is every time you apply your eyeliner or kajal, do not pull onto your skin on the sides or on the bottom. What this does is it gives you wrinkles. It gives you very fine lines around the area. You get crow's feet right here. एकदम से नहीं पता चलेगा आपको, but eventually you will get to see them. अगर आप रोज ऐसे you pull onto the eye on the corner and you try and apply your eyeliner or a pencil or a gel eyeliner, आप जो भी करते हो, it's a big no-no. Do not do it. You'll regret it. Practice on how to apply your eyeliner. Slowly work with it. You'll eventually learn. It's not a task. It's not super hard. It's easy. You just need to practice. Number two is not considering your eye shape. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है what exactly is your eye shape और आपको कैसा काजल या eyeliner लगाना चाहिए, play with it, please. Play around with your kajal. Stand in front of a mirror. Try a few different techniques. जो आप पे suit करेगा, you know it. If you have a hooded eye, अगर आप जैसे hooded eye है, जैसे if you have, I've got a lot of room, brow space or lid space on the eye. So even if I apply a thick eyeliner, it tends to work. If I apply thin eyeliner, that works, but I don't like thin eyeliner. अगर आपकी hooded eyes, if you have smaller eyes, less lid space, apply a thin liner, a very thin line of eyeliner, and make a small wing at the end. This is my staple go-to look. I'm sure you can see it. It's a thick, broad wing eyeliner with lots and lots of mascara. That's my everyday go-to if I need to glam up a little bit. It's super easy, it's fun, it makes me look well put together. It looks as if I've spent a lot of time, whereas it only takes me 10 minutes to put the entire face down. Okay, so watch out for that. Play around with it, see what works for you. Next is I'm not saying don't wear a black eyeliner, since black looks good any time of the day, any time of the year. But play around with the colors. Don't be afraid. Play around if you're working or you're going to school or college. Try and apply a brown eyeliner. It looks very subtle. It looks sophisticated. It looks really pleasant, and it looks natural. So that. The next thing is don't try using a pencil kajal. I don't have one since I don't use one. Use a gel one. There are lots of good options out there. I'll tell you some of the ones that I use. Currently I'm using the one from Faces Canada. It's a super, how do I show you? See, I mean, it's super jet black, and it's so smooth. It goes on, glides on really nicely. The other one is by Maybelline Lasting Drama. For some reason I can't get my hands on this, but this one is exactly the same thing. Can you see it? Really good, like jet black. It stays on for a long time. There was another one that I used, was Lakme 9 to 5. I think they've stopped making it, but that was also a good one. These are slightly on a pricey side, but you don't run out to them very quick. They last you a long time also, since you don't need a lot of product. Halka sa lagao and it goes a long way. What else? Tight lining your eyes. I'm not sure if you could see, but जब आप eyeliner लगाते हो, when you have an eyeliner on the top lid, you should always, जैसे आप नीचे काजल लगाते हो on the bottom lash line right here, the waterline, ऊपर भी waterline है right here. Should I hold on, I'm going to try and show it to you. For this you would need a little bit of practice. Don't poke your eyeball. आँख में ऐसे नहीं मारना है. So I'm not sure if you could see it. I've already tight lined my upper waterline. So what you do is you take your Kajal pencil and you run it along the top waterline like so. इससे क्या होगा, when you're looking up, or when you have full complete set of makeup done, when you have a complete makeup done, you can see the inner rim, the top inner rim, the waterline. It looks naked, it looks incomplete, so it's better that you cover that. जैसे आप यहाँ नीचे काजल लगाते हो, ऊपर भी काजल लगाओ. Other thing is, if you're wearing, if it's a daytime, अगर आपने ऊपर black eyeliner या brown eyeliner लगाया है, avoid wearing the black eyeliner at the bottom waterline. It's gonna make your eyes look smaller. You want your eyes to look bigger and wider and open. Apply a white or a nude color, skin color भी बोलते हैं ना यहाँ पे, हाँ. So skin color का eyeliner in your waterline. आजकल हर company में बनाती है, and it's get the one that is gel consistency. NYX jumbo pencil in white is what I love using. You can get your hands on it on Amazon or Nika. That's also good. Other thing is, if you have dark circles, and us women, a lot of us Indian girls have got bad dark circles right here. If you have dark circles, avoid wearing a lot of kajal. What happens is, towards the end of the day, your kajal is going to bleed, but naturally it's going to happen. It's going to glide out, it's going to smudge at the bottom, right under the area, the under eye area, and it's going to make it look like as if you have raccoon eyes or kali lagti hain aankhein. So avoid doing it. Just wear eyeliner on the top, lots of mascara, and you're good to go. And if you have a lot of dark circles, watch a video on how to hide them with concealer and how to set them properly. I've made a video on it too. What else? Always make sure that you don't buy those pencil eyeliners. They tend to dry out really quick. They're gonna pull and tug onto your skin. They never work. I've done a few times and I love doing it. Is you take your gel eyeliner. I love using the Inglot one. This is number 77. It's super jet black. Love it. Love this stuff. It's awesome. What I would do is I take my pencil, a black Kajal pencil, I dip it into this and I apply it on my waterline, and it stays all day until I take it off. Really good trick. Okay, so that's one of the gel eyeliners I absolutely love. You can never go wrong with it. It's super waterproof, by the way. You need an oil-based makeup remover to get this off. The other brown eyeliner I absolutely love, and I've been using this for a long time. It's by Bobbi Brown. Hold on, Bobbi Brown. Love the color, and this is in number 2, I think. Yeah, that's what it says. This is also really good. All right, so the bonus tip that I've kind of really mentioned in one of my points is using a mascara. Please invest into a mascara, and a good one. I love, this is one of the best, like the best. You just cannot go wrong with it. 2 layers of this on your eyelashes, top and bottom. You're good to go. It makes you look as if you're wearing falsies, false lashes, like I am right now. I am not wearing any false lashes. I'm only wearing mascara, and it makes my eyelashes look nice and spidery and beautiful. Okay, so the other one that I also love is this Maybelline Sensational. This one. You can easily get this in India. There is another one from L'Oreal. I think it's called L'Oreal Paradise, Lash Paradise. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's in a pink packaging. Excellent product. That's that. Also, one last bonus point is, every single time you apply mascara on the bottom lash line, make sure it's waterproof. You don't want it to smudge on your concealer or the bottom area, otherwise you'll have black eye by the end of the day. And yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Yeah.